Hello, friends. There are two things in life. One is giving, another is taking. Or we can say, one is taking, another is giving. If we take, we should be ready to give. But unfortunately, we always remain ready to take. We are not ready to give. When we are not ready to give, this creates problem. Today in society, you will find that everywhere there is disorder, everywhere there is chaos. What is its reason? Its reason is only this, that people are ready to take, they are not ready to give. If you visit the families, you will find that in many families there is dispute, there is conflict. What is the reason? Its main reason is this, that everybody is ready to take, nobody is ready to give. And if we also cultivate the habit to give, there will be no problem in society, there will be no problem in our family, there will be no problem in our relations. For example, children, they often make a complaint that their parents have not given this thing to them, that thing to them. Their parents have not established a huge business for them. Their parents have not got them educated. So children, they always desire to get from their parents, but they are never ready to give to their parents. They are never ready to tell you what they have given to their parents. Similarly, if you take the example of husband and wife, husband also wants to get from his wife pleasure, happiness, help, and so many things. Wife also wants to get from her husband money, property, position, and so many things. But neither wife is ready to give anything to her husband, nor husband is ready to give anything to his wife. If you meet them, they both can be seen making complaints that wife will say she has not got this thing, husband will say that he has not got this thing. So if they remove this tendency of taking, if they always remain ready to give, there will be no conflict between husband and wife. Similarly, you may take the example of friends. Friends can be also seen making the complaints that my friend has not given this thing to me. My that friend, he has not given that thing to me. But they never say that I have not given this thing to my friend, I have not given that thing to my friend. So they have to change their tendency. Similarly, brothers, they can be also seen making the same complaint. So I mean to say that wherever you go in society, you will find the people saying that they have not got that thing. My father has not given this thing to me, my wife has not given this thing to me, my husband has not given this thing to me. Everywhere you will find the people who are ready only to take and take. They are not ready to give. So through this video, I want to give a message to all my friends, to all my students. Please change your mentality. Instead of being ready to take, you should be ready to give. Give as much as you can. Whoever comes in your contact, give to that person. You must understand that if you start giving, you will start getting automatically, whether you ask for that thing or not. So I hope that you will try to change your mentality, and from today, you should never make a complaint that I have not got this thing, that person has not given this thing to me, parents have not given this thing to me, my brother has not given this thing to me, my friend has not given that thing to me. But you should be ready to say that I have given this thing to them. So always be ready to give. not to be ready to take only. Thanks.